this very moment, you hold an incredible power, the power to transform your greatest challenges into profound victories. I'm not just saying this to inspire you, I'm speaking from experience. You might be wondering how that's possible. How can we turn adversity into triumph when life feels overwhelming? Today, we're diving into Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that has stood the test of time, empowering individuals to not only survive adversity, but to thrive in it. It's a philosophy that teaches us to find peace in the chaos and resilience in the face of life's toughest tests. My journey through chaos to calm. I'll start with a personal story. There was a time in my life when everything felt out of control. A financial setback, health challenges, and personal loss all hit me at once. I reacted instinctively. Frustration, anger, and fear took over. But those reactions didn't solve anything. They only deepened the chaos. It wasn't until I stumbled upon the principles of Stoicism that my mindset began to shift. I learned that while I couldn't control those external circumstances, I had full control over my response. That realization didn't just change my life, it saved it. React versus respond, the turning point. Think about the last time you faced a situation that tested your patience or shook your confidence. How did you react? Were you a prisoner to immediate emotions like anger, fear, or frustration? Or did you take a step back, reflect, and choose a response grounded in your deeper values? Here's the game changer. Life doesn't happen to us, it happens for us. Every challenge, every setback is an opportunity for growth. But growth only happens when we train ourselves to respond instead of react. The Stoics, those ancient philosophers, teach us this beautifully. They believed that while we can't control external events, we absolutely can control how we interpret and respond to them. This mindset isn't about suppressing emotions, it's about understanding them and channeling them productively. Let me share the 3 most transformative practices I've learned. The power of the pause. Before you respond to anything, whether it's an angry email, a harsh word, or a frustrating situation, pause. Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic emperor, called this the space between stimulus and response. In that pause lies your power. Take a deep breath, reflect, and ask yourself, what action aligns with my values? Reframe your perspective. Here's a challenge. Instead of viewing a difficult situation as a problem, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? For me, a failed business wasn't the end, it was the beginning of resilience and reinvention. When you change the way you see challenges, you change the way you live. Focus on what you can control. Too often, we waste energy worrying about things outside our control, other people's opinions, unexpected setbacks, or the weather. But Stoicism teaches us to anchor ourselves in what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and choices. This simple shift frees us from unnecessary stress and empowers us to act with purpose. Why this matters for your life? Let's be honest. So much of our stress and regret comes from reacting impulsively. But when you cultivate the habit of responding thoughtfully, you don't just find peace, you gain power. Imagine walking into a room where chaos reigns and you're the calm in the storm. People notice. Your relationships improve, your leadership shines, and most importantly, you become the kind of person you've always aspired to be, calm, grounded, and resilient. The challenge I leave with you. Today, I challenge you to practice just one thing. Pause before you respond. When you feel anger, frustration, or fear creeping in, pause. Take a breath, reflect, and then act in a way that aligns with your highest self. This isn't just a practice for today, it's a practice for life. It's how you step into the best version of yourself. It's how you take control of your narrative. Conclusion. Writing your story with stoic grace. Life will always throw challenges your way, that's a guarantee. But how you face them is your choice. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Every setback is a chance to rise. As you move forward, let stoic wisdom guide you. Respond with clarity, act with intention, and transform your trials into triumphs. Thank you for being here with me today. If this message resonates with you, let's continue this journey together. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to live with purpose and resilience. Because you have the power to rise, to thrive, and to inspire others to do the same.